Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to work with geography in Excel. As you can see, I have written few US states here with which we would be working today. First of all, we select all of these and go to data and hit geography. This will change it to linked data type, which is a geographical data now. I can click on the card and let's say click here on population, extract population to grid. So it extracts the population of Kansas City from the data it has in public domain. Similarly, I can select all of these and go to population. Another faster way to do this is if I just hit Control Z for a moment is that I convert this to a table by selecting the state and going to insert table. Make sure you have check mark on this option where it says my table has headers. Then you convert this to geography data type. Now good thing with this is even if I click here and have population of Kansas, it will extract population of everything which is here. Let's now go ahead and plot this on the map. You go to insert filled map. Then you go to select data and then we can select the whole table. This shows us a nice map. Then we can change the title and do other adjustments as required. Just to show you that I'll change one thing. I'll just go on here, go to our series population, and then I would like to show you how to change the color here. I can select, let's say, white for the lowest value and red for the highest value to modify my table as required. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye.